What's up YouTube? Cliff here with the Sunday Drive. Today we're going to show you how to install the 72-inch tube extender on top of your Magnum Manufacturing headache rack. Before we get started, I want to give a big shout out to Tool & Die Design. They hooked us up with these sweet, ugly Christmas sweaters. They have a whole bunch of different car patterns you can choose from. Go check out their website. The link will be in the description. Alright guys, so you only need two tools for this. A 9/16 deep well socket and a tape measure. Alright, so what we got included with the kit are these rubber spacers. These will protect the top of your headache rack from getting scratched when you install the tube extension, as well as two mounting bolts. Now there is a slight difference between the front tube extender and the one for the rear rack that I also have installed. The rear rack does not include these holes right here, so you want to make sure you get the correct one for the front before you get started. Alright, so the first thing you're going to go ahead and do is take your mounting bolts, take the nut and washer off, and go ahead and slide that onto your headache rack. One on each side. Then take your rubber spacers, set them over top of the bolts. Go ahead and place your tube extension into the bolts. Alright, so from this top corner weld right here out to the end should be 10 inches on both sides. Now Magnum included these washers, but no way to get the washer down in there. And this is up inside of the actual rail here, so there's no way to pre-install it either. So yeah, we're not going to use those. Alright guys, that's all there is to it. Couple bolts and you're done. Thanks for watching. If this is your first time tuning in, please hit that subscribe button. Give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you guys here next time.